Welcome to homework.
All right. How would you best describe the bonding between carbon and oxygen in a ketene? All right. So in a ketone, I think, it'd be not a bad idea to start with a ketone. It's our carbon. It's our oxygen. Right? We've got the sigma bond. And then we've also got the pi bond, which would be in the plane. Like so. Okay. Maybe it would be better to do that side on, like oxygen, carbon. Yeah, this would be better. Okay. So that's for a ketone. Great. Now recall that this is an sp3 and this is an sp3 hybridized for the sigma bond, right? And then there's the overlapping p's. In the case of a ketene, that central carbon, oxygen, this is sp2 hybridized, right? It's got two empty p orbitals. One of them's making a pi bond with the carbon on the left, and one of them's making a pi bond with the oxygen on the right. So, in fact, the sigma bonds are going to be sp hybrids. All right, so let's take a look at that. So we've got our carbon, and we've got our oxygen. All right, so an sp hybrid is more bulbous than your typical. It's got more S character. Whereas the oxygen, it's still just an sp2. Right. So sp2. Great. Now we've got to consider the pi bond, right? Okay. But what the interesting thing is that for this carbon over here, okay, we've got another sp2. And this one is going to be, sp, p. Okay. Then this one's going to have an sp2. That's a little too bulbous. Maybe that's better. sp2. It's going to have an s. Its p orbital can't be in this plane, right? Because we've already got a p orbital in this plane. So this pi bond has got to be coming towards us. Like so. That's basically, that's true for the allene as well. So I'll redraw the allene. But yeah, let me redraw this for the allene. Sketch the orbital sheets to make the bonds in allene. Okay. Same deal. We've got sp in the middle here on both sides. And each of these is sp2. Right? Then there's the pi bond on the right. But the pi bond on the left has got to be in the plane. And that's why, if this one might have a hydrogen like that and a hydrogen like this one would have to have a hydrogen up and a hydrogen down. That's basically it. That's what they're trying to get at.